Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox something really special, and this one is the most wanted one in this entire Pearl and Chrome list or the series, and which we are going to unbox it today. So this is a Mercedes Benz Unimog U1300L, and so in India everyone is going crazy for this one. I don't know why. I do have a Unimog which I unboxed earlier, maybe a few months back, like 3-4 months back if I'm not wrong. That is a Mudrunner series which I bought abroad, and I really don't know what's the fuss in this one. Everywhere it is out of stock. Believe me guys when I say this, everywhere it is out of stock, and luckily I was able to grab this one. So let's unbox and see what's the fuss is about. Okay, as usual, try not to damage the card. Okay, got it. Okay, let's have a closer look of this most awaited car in this series. Okay, the paint job looks nice. See, anything with gold finish usually looks nice, especially the black and gold combination. It's written Unimog here in the side. So unfortunately I don't have the other one which I already unboxed. So it is in some box which I kept. But I will do a comparison video. There is one more Unimog which I meant to unbox, which is the, I don't know what series it is coming under it, but I do have a blue color one which is 2023 edition. One thing I can agree on this particular Pearl and Chrome series is the interior. Actually we can see the interior. So far this is the third one which we unboxed, and at least I can see the interior for all those cars so far. The rims looks really nice. So if you guys are wondering, this is not a premium one. It has this plastic wheels, and this is just the main line, and it just costed me 149 rupees. And don't encourage scalpers, like I always say. Please don't do that. You can join our group if you want. We will help each other out, specifically if you are in India, but don't buy it from scalpers. So all these parts are actually made of plastic. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it is smoother than 12mm. It is real smooth than smoother than 12mm. Okay, that is actually satisfying. The sound is really satisfying. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.